This is Ireland. Ireland has a lot of really great scenery. Ireland also has a lot of this. A whole lot of this, which actually you can breed a lot of these on. This produces this, which is from here. Hi, this is David Alton talking to you from Nina in County Tipperary, Ireland. I've been asked by my friend of 25 years, Michael Fentner, to record what was being cooked today in the Alton household as part of the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. For your ingredients, you're going to need cubed lamb, carrots, leeks, onions, garlic, stock cubes, water or lamb stock, cracked black pepper, salt, vegetable or canola oil, fresh herbs, preferably thyme, baby new potatoes, gravy granules, pickled red cabbage and baguette. First part of the process is get some vegetable oil, very hot. And brown off your lamb. I'm going to do mine in 2 batches. If you put all the lamb in that I have here at one go, you will end up stewing it rather than frying it. And what we're trying to get right now is a lovely brown color on it. Put them on a plate to one side. And in goes all your magnificent fresh seasonal veg. There's the garlic. Don't put this in straight away because otherwise it will burn on the bottom of the pan. Get the veg giving out some water to begin with. We're now going to switch that down and do what we basically call sweat the veg, which is don't brown it, just soften it. To that, we're going to put back all that lovely fried lamb. We're going to add 2 stock cubes and some really nice freshly but picked over thyme and a really good shake. A really good shake. Half a cup, probably more, of the good old Liam Perrin's Worcester sauce. We're going to cover it with water and we're going to bring that to a boil. We're going to add the potatoes. Okay, so this has been bubbling away nicely for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, and I've just taken a piece of lamb out and it's lovely and tender. So what we're going to do now is thicken it. And we're going to cheat a little bit here, just so that it's easy for everybody. And we have some lovely onion gravy granules. These will just thicken the sauce nicely. Now, add these a little at a time, because you don't want to get it too thick. And it takes a couple of seconds before the sauce comes back to the boil. So lads, here we go for plating up. The stew is ready. One of the things that's obviously great about this dish is it's just one pot. On the side, we're going to have some pickled red cabbage. And to that, we're going to add a half baguette with beautiful Irish butter on it. And there is lunch. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy during this pandemic. And I hope we all get out of it the other side. Good luck.